Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are doing good and having a great day. Well, as you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, new tokens, and I always try to introduce those projects to you in which you can invest and get a good return. So today I'm here with another great project and they will be having their pre-sale really soon and I will let you know all about that project. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet and press the notification bell so you will be notified about my upcoming videos on time. Thank you. All right, so this is our project for today. It's Exonova, and we have their links. First of all, we have link to their Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, and Medium. So you can follow them on their social channels, and we have link to their chart and wallet as well. You can connect your wallet if you're using on PC, so you can just download MetaMask extension and you can then connect your wallet. So you can even follow them on their social channels. So as soon as they will have their private sale, pre-sale, so you will be notified. You can join their Telegram community. So if you have any question about the project, or if you want to get in touch with the team, or if you want to know more about their investor or to be part of their team, so it's better to join them on their Telegram community and follow them on their social channels. So you will be notified about the private sale, pre-sale, and their launching details as well. All right, so we have Twitter of Exonova, and you can follow them on Twitter. They are just new, so you can follow them and you can even join them on other social channels as well. Then, as soon as they will launch, so you will be able to buy the token, then you will be able to watch their live chart and you can track your wallet. All right. So let's talk that what is Exonova and what's the mission behind this. So Nova is a community-driven token within the wild west of crypto, making passive income as simple as possible. We have taken extra time and care to provide the right token for our community. Our aim is to provide a safe haven for our investors and make it forefront of what we do. Put your passive income on autopilot. Yes, there is no need for extra steps from our holders. USDT is automatically sent to your wallet, taking away one more layer of complexity. So they have made it easy for you, for the investors, for their holders. All you have to do is to hold the token and you will be getting USDT as a reward directly to your wallet. We intend to keep our holders included with the decisions making throughout the life of NOVA, from future growth, charitable donations, influencer partnerships, and further suggestions from our holders. So, the holders, the community will decide that in what way the project will go and where their donations will go and how they will do influencer partnerships, marketing, etc. So, this is the best thing. This is a community driven token, and all decisions will be made by community. So it is a community focused project. The community and team based the leading they have burned his tokens and team participated with everyone else. Then liquidity, every trade contributes towards auto generating liquidity that goes into multiple pools that will be used by exchanges. Then holders earn passive rewards of pegged USDT through static reflection. Then we have their partners. You can check it that Dex Tools, Temeon, KuCoin, PancakeSwap, and Axonova. We have some links to their events and we have their official contract details. You have their audit report. You can check this from their website. Then we have the event details like charitable donations, marketing wallet, etc. So let's check this out. And they will be doing charities as well. Our charitable wallet is made to help bringing our partnerships closer with the charity community. So here you will find the polls where you can vote to choose which charity we partner with. And yes, it is up to our community to vote. Charity donations will be held at the end of every month. So as they already said that every decisions would be made by their community. So the charity wallet is here and the community will vote in the poll and they will decide where and whom they should partner for charity. Then marketing wallet, our marketing wallet is created to help fund our movement within the crypto space. Its leading purpose is to be used to gain aggressive influential positions and partnerships and we intend to make it in the forefront of what we do. Then we have details to their giveaways. They will be doing many giveaways as well. Here we will be hosting major prize giveaways in BUSD, USDT, Nova, BNB, and BTC. Each giveaway will be dictated on milestone we reach. Our first giveaway will be hosted at 10 million of market cap. Then more details giveaways will be given closer to set milestone. As soon as they will reach that milestone, they will announce what type of giveaway they will be doing. So you can find this details on the event details on website as well, and you have links to their liquidity log, their audit report, and their smart contract. So we have all the proofs here, all the links to prove. You can check it out from their website. They're complete transparent, and their team is even docs. I'll let you know details of their team as well. You can find all of their team members details on website. Okay, so let's check out some features of Exonova. So first of all, distribution fee, 10% of every transaction will automatically redistribute it as USDT to all holders. Then 5% of every transaction will automatically generate liquidity to help maintain a balanced trading platform for investors. Then 5% of the total supply will be locked away every month for charitable donations. After every month of when the time lock is up, we will host a poll and let the community decide which charitable partner we choose. Then 5% of the total supply will be used for ongoing marketing to help get influencing partnerships to take Nova to the next level. So you know that they will be doing great marketing as well. And then 29% of the total supply will be burned and destroyed out of the universe. These token burns will be hosted and announced live to the community to help add our compounding effect. So you have checked their features as well, and let's know more about Exonova, what their vision is and what their thoughts are about the project. So let's discuss this more. You have their documentation file, you have their white paper as well. You can download their white paper and go through their white paper if you want in detail things, in detail information about the project and what their thoughts are about project and what the mission behind this. So you can go through their white paper and you will definitely get all the answers from there. And so the aim is to provide an easier and simpler way of putting your passive income on autopilot. And how they will be doing this by implementing an auto paying dividend protocol that rewards the investors in USDT. Where in each transaction there will be a 15% tax for those auto generated rewards. No matter buying or selling, there will be a 15% of tax, and that tax will be distributed to their holders as USDT. So the other 5% will be automatically added to the liquidity pool to help provide a solid base so investors can buy and sell with no extra trouble. So the 10% will be for their holders as USDT reward and 5% will be for marketing. Either you buy or you sell, the 10% of sell will be deducted from you. So then why USDT? So you would be thinking that why they have selected USDT as a reward. So USDT is the most stable asset within the crypto space, reigning 1:1 with the US dollar. So rewarding our investors in USDT provides an honest and healthy relationship with our community. Then their vision, here we have their vision that their vision is simple to bring an easier way for average people to earn a solid passive income on autopilot. Okay, so now their vision is simple to bring an easier way of average people to earn a solid passive income on autopilot. There are many tokens and projects out there that claim the same thing. Most project reward in their own token to add to the compounding effect to make their chart looks good. Then here is not this not that case. We want to create a safe haven within our community, and we have taken the appropriate time and care to create, manage, and maintain our project before any thoughts of launch. So they have thought as much as they can. They have created the best platform, the best token before even they launch. They have tried to make it everything sort out and everything the best for their investors. Then you can have their partnering details, their merchandise that will be coming really soon. You have all the details here in their about section, and you can find their what the idea is behind this project. So you can find it here. Then we have the documentation file, as I already said, that you can have their audit report, etc. You can download that links and you can check that on their website. Then let's talk about their roadmap. So we can check their roadmap here. So we'll know that what they have planned for the future. And by September 2021, general platform launch, onboard and confirm initial prayers, create more efficient deflationary smart contract, gather and build one team and long-term vision. Then in October 2021, they started community networking, website development, private sale and pre-sale announcements, gain influential partnerships, and provide a main basis following of private sale and pre-sale. And then in November 2021, finally, they will be doing NOVA launch camping, pre-sale and launch, smart contract audits, tokenomics simulations will be integrated and finalized. Full-scale NOVA marketing campaign, further influencer walkthrough, talkthrough, and first charitable donation from NOVA in USDT. Then in December 2021, they have planned Christmas and New Year giveaways. Each milestone will bring more better gifts to our holders. Quarter 1 2022, second smart contract design and website creation. Testnet goes live, sector integration with Nova, sector failed launch to create a dual project ecosystem. Then quarter 2 2022, gather and build a core team for an official Nova merchandise store, full store integration into our project. Dual project ecosystem in full swing. Nova will aim to get listed on major CX such as Binance and so on. So we have all the details here. You can check out their planning. They have mentioned every plan till 2025. So you can check it out that what they have planned for their investors and how they will be benefiting their investors. So here we have their team details. As I said that there is a talks team, complete transparency they are providing. They have mentioned their team details on website. You can find each detail by their name and all of their links, Twitter link, Telegram link, etc. So you can find it on their website. So you know that there is no scam or anything. Complete docs team we have and complete transparency they were giving to us. So this was our project for today, Exonova, and Exonova team is working on slow gradual marketing. But as soon as they will start their pre-sale and private sale, so before their pre-sale and private sale, they will be doing huge marketing as well. And you can be the part of their team right now from the very start. I guess by November 27, November 1st November, they will be having their private sale, and after that by November 27, they will be having their pre-sale, and on 30 November, they will launch on PancakeSwap. They will list on PancakeSwap. So you can be part of them right now. This is the best time to be part of them. They have just started. The team is new, and you can know more about the team and the project right from now. And they will be doing huge marketing as well. So of course, you know that this is a great project in coming days, and you can be part of this great project. I will provide all the links in my description. You can check the project by yourself. You can check out their Telegram community. You can check their team from website as well. And you can get in touch with the team on Telegram as well. I'll provide all the links in the description so you can access the website by yourself, check out the project by yourself, and after doing your complete research to invest in it. I hope you like the website. If yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.